Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on gold. We take a look at the gold futures chart here. The price has, apologies, the price has reacted to a Fibonacci support region, but I think we have first indication that a substantial top has formed. Maybe you followed the last videos here on this channel. Maybe you also watched the long-term video I shared with you all on the MCO Global channel a few days ago. If not, I recommend you do that. You'll find a link to the MCO Global channel in the description because that is quite important to understand the bigger picture implications. So the price has reached here this blue target zone for this larger degree third wave, yeah. And on the smaller degree, smaller time frame futures chart, we just zoom in here into this, and the risk is just very high. I just have to adjust this support area slightly. The risk is just very high that this larger degree fourth wave correction starts from here. Maybe the third wave gets another high. 3,213 to 3,336 are the next upside levels to watch. My view is we're getting closer and closer to substantial top, and the move to the downside could be quite substantial. I still would like to see another 4-5 pattern here, even on the weekly chart, before really a substantial major top forms. That could form in the region around 3,628, maybe even 5,100. But first of all, we can add targets more precisely once this fourth wave is done. But that can take a long time. This wave 4 can take several months to play out, maybe even half a year. So again, I don't think there is much more juice in this. Okay, so just want to show you that on the larger time frame. So in recent months, gold has fulfilled what I wanted to see. It's completed the wave count to the upside. It was bullish as mentioned, and now I'm getting to I mean, those of you who followed my analysis, you guys know that I've been bullish pretty much since I've started to cover gold on YouTube in 2022. And now I'm getting to the point where I think, at least this larger degree wave 4 should start, so we can become not yet bearish, okay, but cautious. I think we are now approaching a major turning point here. That doesn't mean the top has been struck, but we are probably getting quite close and closer and closer. And that pullback is a first warning here, yeah, that we've seen here. Let me actually see. Yeah, and go to the 1 hour time frame. So what you see, we're still holding support here, $3,001 to $3,076. But we're getting quite. I've got two charts I'm following. I've got following this gold futures chart. I'm also following the spot chart on the smaller time frame. Here on this one, the potential for one more high exists. Yeah. 3,001 to 3,076 is support, but that strong decline is a first indication this might have been the A wave of a larger A wave, of that larger degree wave 4 that we just looked at, right? That might eventually take us into the area here, maybe 2,560, 2,400, yeah? So it would just be the beginning, yeah? But to keep that potential alive, the market now needs to form a lower high and break below 3,001 to confirm that further. So the white count is the short-term bearish one. It's not entirely clear if this B wave is currently playing out. We had a dip and a recovery. So the bears and the bulls have a healthy debate there. What I can tell you is that as long as we're holding 3,000, possibly one more high here. Yeah, but again, only on the micro level. But I would use the 3,000 level as main risk level. It's also the previous swing low. So once we break that, yeah, it's probably starting the decline. But then that is not necessarily going to drop like a stone. If that happens, it might just be the larger A wave low. We could then get another bounce, get that further confirmed if this rally is also corrective, and then we break down further. So yeah, that's how I see gold. Just want to update you quickly. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then make sure that you check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. In this membership, we also cover the NASDAQ regularly. Yeah, as I said, the S&P 500, different stocks. So you'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.